Hello guys, welcome to Lytical Preps. So today we are looking at this Olympiad math question. We are having 4 exponents sine squared x plus 4 exponents cos squared x, which is equal to 4. So we have to solve for x in this problem. Okay, and before we move on, let's analyze this. We have sine squared x plus cos squared x, which is equal to 1. Okay, so in this case we can make sine the subject, so it becomes sine squared x, which is equal to 1 minus cos squared x. Okay, so we can replace the expression of sine in terms of cos. Okay, so let's do this. So our equation now becomes 4 exponents 1 minus cos squared x plus 4 exponents cos squared x. Okay, which is equal to 4. 4 exponents 1 minus cos squared x, we can express this in terms of, we have 4 on, okay, 4 exponents cos squared x, okay, because of this negative here. So in indices, okay, it's 4. It means that they all have the same base, but they are divided. That's how come it was like this. So we express it back to this. So our equation now becomes, if you see this now is this, so 4 on 4 exponent cos squared x plus 4 exponents cos squared x, which is equal to 4. Okay, so now we can let a is equal to 4 cos squared x. Okay, so we will write this equation as 4 on a plus a, which is equal to 4. Okay, so we can multiply both sides, or we multiply through by a. Okay, so when you multiply through by a, we are going to get a multiplied by 4 on a plus a dot a, which is equal to 4 dot a. So we have this one will cancel this, so 4 plus a multiplied by a is a squared, which is equal to 4a. Let's continue from here. 4 plus a squared is equal to 4a. So with this, let us rewrite it in order. We have a squared minus 4a plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, and this is a quadratic equation. So you can look for the factors of negative 4. Okay, so let's say 4. Let's look for the 4. We have negative 2 minus 2. Negative 2 times 2 is 4. So it means that we can express this as a squared minus 2a minus 2a plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so you can get a squared minus 2a into one bracket plus minus 2a plus 4 in another bracket, which is equal to 0. So with this, you can factorize a out, so we get a into bracket a minus 2 plus this one 2. You can factorize negative 2 out. Okay, so we get negative 2 into bracket a minus 2, because negative 2 times negative 3 it will give us 4. So the factors, we get a minus 2, a minus 2, this and this, then one of the brackets is equal to 0. So it means that we have a minus 2 all squared is equal to 0. Okay, so with this, can take square root of both sides. We will take square root of both sides, get a minus 2 all squared is equal to 0 squared. So this one will cancel this. We are getting a minus 2 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2. Okay. So now we said that but a is equal to 4 exponent cos squared x. Okay. So 2, a is 2. So 2 is equal to 4 exponent cos squared x. Okay. So now we can express this 4 as 2 exponent 2. So it's going to be 2 is equal to 2 exponent 2 into bracket 4 cos, so into bracket cos squared x. Okay, but don't forget 2 is the same as 2 exponent 1. Okay, so we can say that since the bases are the same, we can equate the power. So we say that 1 is equal to 2 cos squared x. Okay, divide both sides by 2 and get cos squared x is equal to half. Okay, but don't forget we are still looking for x. So in this case, we can take square root of both sides. So taking square root of both sides, so the square will cancel the root, leaving cos x is equal to root 1 on 2. And when you rationalize this, we are going to get root 2 on 2. Okay, so cos x is equal to root 2 on 2. Now we can find x, but now we can find x by taking the cos inverse. Okay, so now s is equal to cos inverse of root 2 on 2. Okay, cos inverse of root 2 on 2, and cos inverse of root 2 on 2. Now we take the square root of both sides, and don't forget the square root of this is plus or minus. Okay, so we had plus or minus root 2 on 2 plus or minus root 2 on 2. Okay, so now it means that s, we have two values for x. So x1, when you take, you say that cos inverse of, so let's take the positive side, that is root 2 on 2 for x1. So cos inverse of x1, so x1, the values we get 45 degrees and then 315 degrees. Okay, then x2 is equal to cos inverse of negative root 2 on 2, and this gives us 135 degrees and then 225 degrees. So this is the solution for this question. Please don't forget to subscribe for more questions.